When most people decide to get organized, they do it wrong. They start in the wrong place. They start with the top of the desk. The top of the desk is the worst place to start, especially if all of your drawers and all of your filing cabinets and all of your bookshelves and all of your storage areas are full. Then cleaning off the top of your desk will just exasperate you because there's no place to put things. What I suggest is this: do it the other way around. Do it backwards. Start with the oldest storage and work forwards towards the newest. So first you clean out the closet. You know there's a lot of stuff in there. Averages say about 95% of it. Then you go to the bookcase and the filing cabinet and the drawers. And last of all, you go to the top of the desk. And that's how you get organized.